Hello, everyone. My name is Silvia. I'm a Hungarian startup founder based at the moment in Spain, and I'm very happy to get invitation from the organization Women in GIS. And I would like to present you the remote sensing and UAV topic about my findings in drones and introducing the gaps in the industry. To start with, I would like to present and showcase like the reality at the moment. Like most of the drone companies are man-dominated and the leadership are highly affected by men, which I would like to raise and raise awareness by. It should be more diverse and equal for all women and girls to have equal opportunity for these devices, both the hardware and the software solutions. There are, of course, few companies start already supporting female in the industry. However, it's quite slow, I would believe, and we should be pushing it a little bit more and raise awareness in all fields. The gap in the industry, there is lack of support initiatives, as I mentioned, both for females, women, and drone pilots either. And there is a lot of career opportunity as well, but there is not well known. Many people don't know about it, how to fly a drone, how to get a certification, for example. However, in the geospatial industry, there is a good opportunity to analyze the data itself. So for researchers, in some cases, it's enough if they have the data available and not to be a drone pilot itself. I created a survey last year, interviewed 150 female in the industry, more in the GIS sector. One of the questions was about the statements, what was interested to reply, get the feedback from them. Like most of them replied, 96% less female representative in the area, and lack of available information, resources, materials, and so on. And yes, the last 9% replied they are not interested, but most of them were very interested about the workshops and the courses available. What is UAV and what can we differentiate in this area? The most used in these pictures is the fixed wing airplane and quadcopter drone, which is mostly used in Europe. And you can get certification for both of them, open category, specified category, or certified category. The UAS and UAV differentiations, the unmanned aerial vehicles, it's like the vehicle's name, it's the hardware itself, and the system, it's controlled by the person on the ground by the remote controller. And it can be, of course, fly automatically as well, but yes, this area is getting also slowly higher in the field. How to get a drone pilot is much more interested actually. Each country have its own regulations, and in Europe, the European Union Aviation Safety Agency responsible for the safety fly awareness regulations. And to be a drone pilot, you can depends on the drone you purchase, of course. If it's a toy, does not have a camera, then you might not need at all to be a certified pilot. But if there is a drone, a a camera on the drone, then you need to finish certification, both theoretical and practical training. And less than 25 kilogram, it's you can get training. You can fly these drones yourself, and you can find a job also in a very nice drone company. I took this image in Poland in the last year's summer. It's the DJI Mavic Mini, like a general drone. You can purchase it for 300 euro or dollar. And the more advanced, for example, the DJI multispectral camera, where you can analyze the agricultural area, soil moisture, for example, canopy height, and use different kinds of software such as Fix4D, Drone Deploy. When you choose the drone, you have to check the camera. It should be 20 megapixel minimum advisable. And you have to expect these batteries are last like half an hour, maximum 55. Depends on the device, of course, and the size of the area you want to measure in the ground from 1 hectare to 120 hectare. Then it's the best choice, of course, to choose the relevant machine, of course. A couple of drone mapping softwares available in the market and startups, companies in the area. And yeah, open source aerial images are very demanded, and most of the programs will be available for free, which you can use as a geospatial professional and for your benefit, of course, even for your company, if you're self-employed. There are endless opportunities in the industry, from healthcare, education, academic, urban development, land mapping. Real estate is also getting high populated area, and the skills you can provide is the critical thinking and problem solving skills, as well as you can do coding as well with the drone, which brings a more excited area with Python and JavaScript, for example. I took this image also in countryside out of Warsaw in Poland. Then it's much more higher resolution aerial imagery. Some case studies from Vintra 1 and DJI Phantom 4 for CSGS organization. STEM education, I would really highly advise you to support the next generation, because they are the ones who will use and will have to work actually with drones in the futures and as a future of work. And we would like to happy to connect all GIS enthusiasts. Follow us. We're looking for GIS specialist hydrologist also. So if you want to join our team, I would be very happy to get to know you better. So thank you for the opportunity, and happy to answer all questions. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you.